building and financing, your portable roll former has just gotten a whole lot easier with NTM's new configurator. Rick here from NewTek Machinery. You know what you need, a reliable portable roll former that will help you take control of your operation and boost your profits. But here's what usually happens. You spend weeks getting quotes, then more time shopping around for financing, dealing with multiple lenders, and watching your credit get dinged with every application. Good news, that stops now. At NewTek Machinery, we've simplified the entire process. Now you can build your custom machine, see real-time pricing with estimated monthly payments, and get pre-approved for financing all on one site in one session. Now the financing process is easy. Get fast approvals, choose from flexible terms, and get competitive rates from top-tier lenders. Here's the simple three-step process. Step 1, configure your perfect machine. Choose from roof panel, wall panel, or seamless gutter machines. Select your package and profiles, residential or commercial. Add accessories and options, and watch the estimated monthly payment adjust as you build. Step 2, get financing fast. Apply for pre-approval right from the configurator. Get approval details in 4 to 8 business hours. Get flexible terms. Pay over 36, 48, or 60 months. Step 3, start making money. Finalize your quote with your NTM sales rep. Fund through your matched lender and begin production. Get your machine delivered and say hello to your ROI. If you've been buying factory panels, you'll be amazed at how fast you'll increase your profits by running your own panels. Maybe you're wondering, how does financing help my business? Here are 3 great ways. First, it protects your cash flow. Financing spreads your investment costs, keeping your cash available for coil, labor, and marketing. Plus, the ROI on a portable roll former should make the payments easy. The monthly amount could be met with 1 or 2 jobs, depending on the size. Speed to market. No more waiting weeks for financing approvals. Get your machine ordered and delivered faster than ever. 3, tax advantages. With the Section 179 deduction limit, you could deduct the full purchase price while making monthly payments. But your machine needs to be in use by December 31st. So build and finance ASAP. Ready to take control? Stop letting financing slow down your growth. Build and finance your NTM portable roll former and get pre-approved, all in one place. It's as simple as that.